Did I get anything?
Oh, I got a lot.
I think a huge.
Oh!
Today on Taste Test, we're trying to see if we can tell the difference between regular food items and reduced fat items.
Maybe they'll taste more artificial.
No, I think so.
The reduced fat ones. That's what I'm gonna look for.
I really only have experience with reduced fat ice cream.
Ooh,
and I'm
okay.
gonna just give a PSA that that's not a good idea.
Okay, let's taste.
This is reduced fat, I think.
I need to taste the other one.
Oh, I love Jesus.
Me too. They have like that salty, addicting, like comeback reaction. I'm not really getting it from that one. Let's try the other one.
I can already feel there's like something more happening on it.
Those are reduced.
You think these are the reduced?
The second one was reduced. Really?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Me too.
Wait.
This is really hard.
I'm gonna put my vote
Okay.
for mine is not reduced fat.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'm saying mine is full regular version Cheez-Its, cheese crackers.
Okay.
Number one.
This one.
Reduced fat.
Fat. This reduced fat.
Lazarus, you're correct.
Yay.
Correct.
Yes. I knew
High
it
five.
right when I took one little
Where are
bite.
you? Okay, ready? Rachel.
Oh.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I feel like these are the reduced ones.
Well, it smells like a normal potato chip.
Yeah, this
Really
tastes kind of
salty.
oily too. Like, I mean, in a good way, like a potato chippy kind of way.
I'm a huge fan of Ruffle chips, but I need to taste the second one before I make a decision.
Crispier.
Yeah, a little flakier. I feel like this is the hard thing. Is I always assume that the one that I think tastes better is going to be the one that has more fat. But that,
Me too.
I don't know why I think that's true.
I think the one in front of me is the reduced one because it tastes like more bland.
I agree. On the second thought though, this first bowl, the taste is much cleaner. So I kind of feel like maybe there's a better process of cooking these versus these kind of taste a little more fatty. And so I wonder like, do they do that on purpose so that it doesn't actually taste like reduced fat?
I'm going to say this is reduced. That one's regular.
I'm afraid this is reduced fat.
I'm saying my bowl is reduced.
Okay, I'm gonna stick with you.
Rachel, you're correct.
Good job.
You're wrong.
I knew it! I absolutely knew it. I knew it.
This is so much. I just put so much on the chip.
I can't find it.
Oh, it's sour cream.
Okay.
I love sour cream.
Is it just regular sour?
Uh-huh.
I love sour cream so much. It tastes like the very liquidy, mushy, plain Greek yogurt that definitely tastes generic to me.
So maybe because it tastes like yogurt, this is the reduced one.
Totally.
I feel like that first one could potentially be like a little watery.
Let's try the other one.
Yeah, even the dip is like more sturdy, right? Like my
yeah,
chip's
it's like
getting
it's
stuck.
pulling it in.
Yeah, there you go. That's full fat, baby.
Let me just confirm.
I think that's maybe reduced fat.
Yep.
It tastes different. But I don't know why.
Wait, this one tastes sweeter. I'm gonna say the one near Rachel is reduced fat.
I'm gonna say, I suppose opposite. I'm gonna say that this is regular, and that's reduced fat for no reason other than
To be different.
to be different.
Okay, this is full fat, in my opinion.
I'll go with them.
Are you?
Correct. You got
Yay!
it. Rachel, you're correct.
What the heck?
Yes.
Good for you.
Man, guys, this
I think
is
you're
my
just lucky.
talent.
Feels like a chocolate chip cookie.
Yep.
Oh, this is definitely reduced fat.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste good.
I don't think I like it.
I don't think I do either.
Try this one. See, by smell alone, I'm gonna say it's the second one.
Well, I'm basing it on texture. Like this is more crumbly.
I think that's better.
That is like crumblier.
I would say it's flakier. This one I think is regular.
Regular. I agree.
The second one is the regular one.
You got it. You're correct.
Yay!
Woo!
You're correct.
Yes! Rachel, you're so good
High
at this
five.
game. Okay. Rachel, it's gonna be ice cream.
Okay, this is my real moment
Ooh,
to
this
shine.
is such a
'Cause
fancy,
I know,
fun glass.
I already know I'm gonna be able to figure this out.
I think this is regular,
Okay.
but I'll, keep
I know that's reduced fat.
the one we just tasted.
Yep.
That was pretty creamy.
This feels icy to me and watery.
Oh, this is reduced
Maggie.
fat. What?
This is full fat, Maggie. Yes.
So
Do you taste
That makes sense.
the cream? Oh, come on, Maggie.
This is regular.
Okay.
The one in front of Jordan's reduced fat. I know it. I feel,
Oh,
so
1,000%.
This is the full fat version. This is the reduced fat version.
You're right.
Yay!
You're correct.
Yay!
Rachel,
Wow.
you're a genius.
I know, I didn't get one wrong.
I think I got
Was
two
that all
wrong.
of them?
Yep.
I think I got 2 wrong.
Well, how did that go?
I don't have like a refined, reduced fat palate.
I have an incredible palate, apparently.
Obviously. I mean, she is just a reduced fat connoisseur, this one.
I know, who knew? Apparently I just eat a lot of fatty foods that I can really tell the difference when it's not there.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
And let us know what you'd like to see us taste next in the comments below.